The captain's here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos, diamond hands versus paper hands in cryptocurrency. I'm sure you heard of that. Let's break this down in this video. First, diamond hands. You see Elon Musk, a tweet that says Tesla has diamond hands, like a diamond hand. So this is what this means. It basically means refers to someone, I'm going to highlight this for you, who has a high risk tolerance to stomach through the high volatility of the stock or cryptocurrency or asset that they own, and they don't cave under pressure. This is referred to diamond hands. That's what diamond hands means. The second thing is paper hands. So it's a complete opposite. On the flip side, paper hand, the term refers to someone who sells under pressure. Diamond hands do not sell under pressure. Paper hands sell under pressure. This can be selling when the price drops and selling when the price is high and starts to dip. That's paper hands in stocks and cryptocurrency as well. Now, I got a couple other bonus terms to show with you today. Yes, HODL. So HODL, I think, kind of goes with diamond hands because you need to HODL those assets. You're a hodler. HODL to the moon is often repeated in terms for those wondering. HODL isn't an acronym, but actually it's basically misspelled of hold. First seen in crypto communities, HODL refers to the strategy of buying and then holding Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, and it has since evolved for the term hold for dear life. Hold for dear life. So that's what HODL is, a little term in cryptocurrency as well. The next one is pump and dump. Now, I know you heard of this. You pump it, you dump it. Now, pump and dump is not a new term. In fact, it has been exist for a long time ago. So in this practice of penny stocks has been regulated. Now, basically what happens in a pump and dump is that a stock or cryptocurrency or any asset price is inflated by hype. You know, you hype something up. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and 10x, 100x by people who already own the stock, cryptocurrency, or asset. Once the price boosts, then they sell their position. They dump it at a higher price. So you might have heard of pump and dump, and definitely this is something that's going around cryptocurrency or any asset. But diamond hands, you're holding through a high risk tolerance to stomach through a high volatility. So you're gonna diamond hands this asset. You have paper hands, that's basically the opposite, that you're gonna sell under pressure, and you usually sell sometimes at a low price. You know, so that's kind of what paper hands is. HODL, hold for dear life, and of course pump and dump, where it's being inflated by hype, and then those people just basically dump when they want to. So diamond hands versus paper hand and ClearCryptos, no trust and act. This is the captain speaking. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel of educational value of ClearCryptos, no trust and act, no trust and act. And I'll see you on the next video.